Are you running a plumbing business or planning to start one? In this video, I'll share 5 common mistakes that many plumbing business owners make. Mistakes that cost time, money, and customers. Stick with me till the end so you can avoid these and grow your business the smart way. One big mistake is not being visible online. If people can't find your business on Google, they'll find your competitor. You must have a Google business profile and a simple website that clearly shows your services, phone number, and location. Online reviews are like gold. If you're not asking happy customers to leave reviews, you're missing out. Reviews build trust. Always respond to them, even the negative ones, to show professionalism. Are you spending money on Google ads or Facebook ads but don't know what's working? That's a mistake. Set up call tracking and lead tracking using tools like Google Tag Manager or a CRM so you know what's bringing in the jobs. If your website is outdated, hard to use, or slow, people will leave. Make sure it's mobile friendly, shows your services, and has clear contact info. Even a one-page site is better than nothing. Not following up with leads is a silent business killer. People call 3 to 5 plumbers and usually hire the one who responds first. Use autoresponders, CRM tools, or even a simple text to follow up fast. Now that you know what to avoid, take action and watch your business grow. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on marketing, business, and success in the trades. Drop a comment below. What mistake have you seen most often?